बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स शेयर करूँगी वो जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे अप्रैल 21 2024 के अखबार में। तो पहली जॉब है SSGC की सुई सदर्न गैस कंपनी लिमिटेड एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज़। सुई सदर्न गैस कंपनी लिमिटेड लीडिंग पब्लिc sector utility company in Pakistan is looking to fill the following specialized positions with qualified, experienced and dynamic professional who can add value to the organization's progress. Serial number 1 position, minimum qualification and experience. Billing positions: number 1 Chief Manager Billing, Balochistan, job code 8275-01. MBA with 9 years of relevant experience with first-hand knowledge of UFG reduction mechanisms. Number 2 Manager Billing, job code 8278-03, MBA/MS or ACCA with at least 4 years of experience or fresh ACMA. Number 3 Manager ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है सिक्योरिटी डिपॉजिट, job code 8279-01, MBA/MS with at least 4 years of experience or fresh ACMA. 4 Manager litigation Billing, job code 8280-01, MBA/MS with at least 4 years of experience or fresh ACMA. Candidate having LLB shall be preferred. 5 Manager recovery, job code 8281-01, MBA/MS with at least 4 years of experience of fresh ACMA. 6 Manager industrial/commercial, job code 8282-03, MBA/MS or ACCA with at least 4 years of experience or fresh ACMA. 7 Deputy Manager ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ एंड्रॉयड डेवलपर, जॉब कोड 8283-01, मास्टर/बैचलर, 16 years of education with at least 4 years of experience. 8 Deputy Manager Business Intelligence BI Developer, job code 8284-01, master/bachelor, 16 years of education with at least 4 years of experience. Number 9 Deputy Manager MIS Dashboard/System Analyst, job code 8285-02, master/bachelor, 16 years of education with at least 4 years of experience. 10 Deputy Manager ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ था कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मैनेजमेंट, जॉब कोड 8286-01, मास्टर/बैचलर, 16 years of education with at least 4 years of experience. Human Resources positions: 11 Assistant Manager -HR/L&D/IR, job code 8287-07, MBA with at least 1 year of relevant experience or MBA with at least 2 years relevant experience. Specialization in human resources shall be given preference. Measurement positions: 12 Chief Engineer Measurement, Balochistan, job code 8276-01, BE Mechanical with at least 9 years relevant experience in oil and gas sector preferably. HSE QA/QC positions: 13 Chief Engineer Meter Repair Shop Testing Lab ब्रैकेट में लिखा है बलोचिस्तान, जॉब कोड 8277-01, BE Industrial/Mechanical with at least 9 years relevant experience in oil and gas sector preferably ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है. Interested candidates are encouraged to visit our website https://www.ssgc.com.pk/careers/ for details, job description and to apply online within 15 days of the publication of advertisement. 21st April है publication of advertisement date. For internal candidates, continuity of service shall be given as per company's policy. Shortlisting and selection shall be on merit based only. The above positions carry market competitive compensation package. SSGCL is an equal opportunity employer and women are encouraged to apply. पाकिस्तान पॉलिट एरेडिकेशन, पता नहीं क्या है, ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्या लिखा. पाकिस्तान पॉलिट एरेडिकेशन प्रोग्राम, पाकिस्तान पोलियो, सॉरी ये लिखा हुआ है जनाब, पाकिस्तान पोलियो एरेडिकेशन प्रोग्राम. अच्छा जी, एक और जॉब है करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, ये है टेस्टेक टेक्नोलॉजी Accreditation and Skill Development Company was established by Ministry of Industries and Production Government of Pakistan to upgrade technology and skills of strategic industrial clusters of Pakistan. TUSTEC is implementing a project titled Support Center for Dental and Surgical Implants STSCDS Sialkot to address the challenges faced by Pakistan's surgical sector in designing and manufacturing of high precision and sensitive products. This center will also support local surgical sector in export promotion and localization. TUSTEC intends to hire progressive dynamic professionals for the following positions based in Lahore. Serial number 1 designations: Project Director. Total positions 1. Project pay scale PPS 10. Qualification: Bachelor's/Masters in Engineering/Business Administration/ Project Management or BS/BTech/DAE. जॉब एक्सपीरियंस: पहली प्रोजेक्ट डायरेक्टर के लिए है मिनिमम 10 ईयर एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ 15 ईयर्स एक्सपीरियंस विद BS/BTech/DAE ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट. जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन: look after the project execution at initial stages and administer the implementation process. Age limit years में 32 to 45 years. दूसरा सीरियल नंबर है मैनेजर. टोटल पोजीशन 1 PPS 8. क्वालिफिकेशन सबके लिए सेम ही है. जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन है मिनिमम 7 ईयर्स मैनेजर के लिए. नंबर 2 पोजीशन के लिए मिनिमम 7 ईयर एक्सपीरियंस और 12 ईयर्स एक्सपीरियंस विद BS/BTech/DAE ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट. Job description: look after the technicalities of project execution at initial stages and administer the implementation process. Age limit years 29 to 40 years. Serial number 3 assistant manager. Total positions 1. Project pay scale PPS 7. Job description है तीसरी minimum 3 year experience और 5 years experience with BS/BTech/DAE of project management. Job description: assist project manager in implementation of project. Age limit years 25 to 32 years. We invite applications from good professionals meeting the criteria who are highly motivated, possessing excellent interpersonal management and facilitation skills. Maximum age limit is relaxable as per government rules for extraordinary candidates only. Incomplete applications or application received after due date will not be considered and no intimation will be given. Only shortlisted candidates will be notified. No TA/TA will be admissible. The recruitment process can be cancelled or withhold without assigning any reason at any stage. The above positions are on contractual basis for a period of 1 year and extendable as per the mutually agreed terms and conditions. Interested candidates are required to submit the online application form available at TUSTEC website www.tustec.org.pk along with updated resume within 15 days of publication of this advertisement, or email at careers.scds@tustec.org.pk, careers.scds@tustec.org.pk, or courier to Human Resource Department, TUSTEC, State Cement Corporation Building, Court, Lakhpat, Lahore. Telephone number 04211000143. 04211000143. Say no to corruption. We are an equal opportunity employer. Female applicants are encouraged to apply. तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो. अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.